Yo, what is up? My name's Mr. King, and I'm fucking about it. Yeah. Unfortunately, I can't talk like unfortunately, it is raining, and yeah, my camera is getting wet. So this is gonna be my day. I wanted to talk about everything how my videos goes, and hopefully I get way more views. Vine, Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, all that media. So yeah, I want to talk about how I can't because my legs getting hurt. So yeah, and holy crap, it started to rain, and I was all of a sudden it just nice, and then until so yeah, I'll do videos about it. So yeah, fortunately it sucks. So give it a shit. You, of course you remember that. That was for the video I did. So what today will be? Well, I want to talk, just walk around, and that failed. So don't comment on Facebook, because I get very, very sensitive on Facebook. And yeah, that just make it, because about BMX, because my leg hurts. I could walk for a little bit, but rest I cannot. So, yep, I can't get with these legs so much. Yeah, unfortunately it's raining out, so I might do a clip of the rain. So, what do I do for my plans? Probably making more Vine videos if you follow me on Vine. Yeah, this sucks, and I was going to walk around, and unfortunately it's freaking raining, and my camera's wet. So, yeah, that's major problems, so yeah, that's usually do it, so yeah, so that's my hair. Look how different is my, holy crap. Yeah, my hair is that different now. It died actually, so my hair is built differently. Yeah. So yeah, that's actually pretty awesome, so yeah, that's been good work. I think tomorrow we're going camping. No BMX. Just having a weekend. The last time I did BMX, today's Wednesdays, no, today's Thursday. It was on Tuesday. No, I think it was Tuesday or Monday. I think it was Monday. I don't know. So, not doing BMX, yeah, I don't know, unfortunately, but soon I will do, so. I want you guys to like in my channel, because I am making a very, very low channel, so this is keep going good, and hopefully, yeah. And, yeah, so it's a vlog. Unfortunately, it is raining out. You know, hold on, I want to show you something. Holy crap, it is. Somebody left here. So yeah, because that is really my hair, unfortunately. So yeah, it is really very windy, raining. So what do I do? Bike went. Kids are screaming. Good day, good day. So yeah, guys, be sure to go to my channel. I will be doing a bike check, a room check, usually on my old video, but it's gonna be a newer version. So yeah, and the rain. So yeah, guys, stay tuned and bye.